Hello and welcome to this short demonstration on how you can configure your test environment to test native mobile and mobile web applications on iOS with Silk Test. For this demonstration, we'll be using Silk4j, the Eclipse plugin of Silk Test. However, the configuration is identical for all other Silk Test clients, and the information provided in this video is also available in the Silk Test help. To test on iOS, you have to configure the following: an iOS device. When using the simulator for testing, no additional configuration is required. A Mac, which the iOS device is connected to, or the iOS simulator is installed on. The native mobile app you want to test, and a Silk Test project on a Windows machine with Silk Test installed. We will start by configuring a physical iOS device. Connect the iOS device to the Mac. To ensure that Silk Test supports the iOS version, go to Settings, General, About, and check the version. The version of our device is 9.3.5. On the device, select Settings, Developer. If the developer menu is not displayed, restart the device and the Mac. Enable UI automation. To test a mobile web application on Apple Safari, click Settings, Safari, Advanced, and activate the Web Inspector. Disable autofill and remembering passwords. Select Settings, Safari, Autofill. Turn off the names and passwords setting. To turn the screen lock off, set Settings, General, Auto Lock to Never. Now we'll prepare the Mac for testing. In the Status menu, click the Silk Test icon and open the Configuration Assistant. Click Start. This Mac has the supported version of Xcode installed, therefore the green check mark. You need a valid provisioning profile. Click Open in Xcode. Select your team in the WebDriver Agent Runner Target. Xcode automatically creates the provisioning profile. In the Configuration Assistant, run a system diagnosis to verify that a valid profile is available. Select a provisioning profile, then select the iOS device that you have configured. Verify your configuration. Your Mac is now ready for testing. On the Windows machine, open Silk4j and create a new Silk4j project. In the Select Application page, select the Mobile tab. Click Edit Remote Locations, click Add Location, and type the address of the Mac into the host field. Click OK, and click OK again, and then select the device. To test a native mobile application, type the full path to the app, and click Finish. And you now can start testing. This concludes our demonstration on preparing for testing on iOS. For more information about Silk Test, you can visit microfocus.com or view our other Silk Test videos and playlists. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all our future videos.